Today is an awesome day. We just had delivery of our latest bit of equipment. I'll just show you what we've got here. We have just got our 3D printer. Obviously it now needs assembling. Oh, just look at it, it looks brilliant. What I'm going to do, another bit of time lapse and we'll put it together. Excellent, there we go. So we are now all on and working. Now we've got to run through the standard setup on this machine. So we've got to do the bed leveling, check nozzle, and then we're good to print. So it's as easy as that. So now I've preheated everything, I've checked that the nozzle's flowing, so that's good. So now apparently the SD card should be preloaded with a couple of test prints. So in here, troubleshooting, Shopify driver, user manual, pig, dog or cat. We'll go for a pig. Press enter, and apparently it's supposed to do something. And now it's printing. I've had the printer an hour almost. It turned up literally about an hour ago and it's already printing. I think that's pretty amazing. I don't really know what it's printing at the minute, but at least I can check and see what everything's done. So now I just need to prep what I'm doing. I'll just bring you in here so you can see possibly what we're doing. Yeah, so this is the slicer. I've already drawn a very basic part. I'm going to start by doing some testing, strength testing, which is what I'll be doing today really on the first few prints, strength testing. So I've got some bars that I'm going to strength test and also a few bolt holes because I need to know how tight you can tighten bolts through the plastic without it cracking, splitting. And also, there's lots of different ways you can print different materials. So you can do a low quality, high quality print, different infill thicknesses, different wall thicknesses. So I'm going to do a range of all of them on different materials and do a little bit of product testing really, just to find out how strong these things are. Because there's no way I'm going to make a part I'm going to fit on a bike that I don't know isn't going to be nice and strong. So today it's going to be product testing. So I'm going to do these, slice a load of these, send them to the printer to print, and then we'll test them and see how well we can break them. We had our first print failure. That's awful, isn't it? Right, so we've got bad bed adhesion. Basically the print didn't stick to the bed very well. So these are supposed to be pretty clean out of the box. The first one worked fine, so I'm going to try and clean the bed with some brake wash and a nice clean brand new rag, and hopefully see how we got. If not, we'll have to put some kind of adherence to the bed. So give that a good clean, and then we'll see how we get on. After quite a few unsuccessful prints, 5 to be exact, I think I've got it sussed. This print is almost finished. That'll be done in a couple of minutes. So while that's finished off printing, I thought I'd just show you the mechanical stuff which is going on in the workshop. I'll just take you through now so I can show you what's going on. This Kawasaki engine, which is now back together. So all we're waiting for is this side cover case, and then it's all done. we have done a cinder leakage test and it tests really well, so we're happy with this. That's all done and we'll be going back to the customer as soon as the case turns up. Other projects, the BMW is obviously on the bench. That is ready for its next stage of fabrication work. Obviously, you've been seeing the 3D printer. We're actually doing a bit of 3D printing on this, so that'll be a good little thing to see. We've got a Victory that's come in for a running issue. We're getting to the bottom of that. And then also the Triton build. We are waiting on a few tank issues and we've ordered a load of engine parts as well, so we're waiting for delivery on that. So in terms of workshop work, mechanical, it's all kind of there. I've been working on something in the machine shop yesterday. I did loads of work there, so I will hopefully, maybe, big maybe, upload the video. We'll see what the eventual outcome is. We've got our first 2 successful prints, so these are the first models for our strength testing in. We've also now just set up on the printer our first big overnight print. If you want to have a look at that. So we're going for almost a full bed size on the printer. That's going to be a 10-hour print, but let's go and strength test these, see what we come up with. We have the first test piece, which is the hold blocks. So this is a medium strength plastic with a medium strength build. So it's just bang in the middle really. I've got torque wrench and then obviously the holder and the bolt going through. So we'll start on 5 Newton meters. Fine. It's been quite a successful day today. We've obviously got the printer, got it all built, got it together, sorted out the first prints and sorted out a few of the little printing issues we had. So that's a great success. We've also now got it running our big overnight or bigger overnight print to see what comes out tomorrow. So that's great. Also got a few of the mechanical things sorted, more parts ordered like always for the mechanical jobs, so that's good. Yeah, same again, thanks for watching. If you'd like to like and follow our videos, that'd be great. And yeah, see you next time.